ProBit Global Crypto Investment Platform Review, Usage Experience. Links to ProBit Global are in the description below. Let's go over its key features, who it's designed for, and whether it's worth using. ProBit Global is a cryptocurrency exchange focused on altcoin trading, security, and user-friendly features. It supports over 700 cryptocurrencies and multiple trading pairs, making it an attractive choice for investors looking to trade lesser-known tokens that aren't available on major platforms. The exchange is known for its fast order execution, high liquidity, and intuitive interface, catering to both beginners and experienced traders. One of ProBit Global's standout features is its low trading fees. The platform charges a base fee of 0.2% per trade, which can be reduced when using PROB, the native token of the exchange. Holding and staking PROB also unlocks additional benefits like higher staking rewards and exclusive token sales. Security is a priority for ProBit Global, with features like cold wallet storage, two-factor authentication, 2FA, and strong encryption protecting user funds. Since it is a non-custodial exchange, users have full control over their assets, reducing counterparty risks. ProBit Global also offers IEO, initial exchange offering, services, allowing investors to access early-stage crypto projects directly from the platform. This makes it a good choice for those interested in investing in new blockchain startups before they hit major exchanges. For passive income seekers, ProBit provides staking options, allowing users to earn rewards on various cryptocurrencies. The exchange supports a tiered VIP system, where higher trading volumes unlock better fee discounts and rewards. While ProBit Global has many advantages, it may not be ideal for users looking for fiat on-ramp options, as it has limited support for direct fiat deposits. However, crypto-to-crypto traders will find it to be a reliable and feature-rich platform. Overall, ProBit Global is best suited for traders looking for a secure, altcoin-friendly exchange with staking rewards and early investment opportunities. If you want to try it out, check the links in the description.